Hello everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. So this is the new ColourPop treat box from Maker Forte. It's a monthly subscription. There's not a whole lot of them left as far as subscription spots for each month because it is limited. And there's 3 different tiers. I do have the top tier, so everything that's in this box is it is a combination of the 2 subscriptions. I'll link where you go to sign up for this, but I don't remember for sure which one is in which. So we're gonna open this. It just showed up today. I have been dying for this to get here. I can't even tell you. And this is what's really cool. So the box itself is adorable, but it's meant to be disassembled and flipped inside out, and you can color it or ink it or do whatever you want to it. And there's little label spaces on here, so you can put down what you've got in your box. So, all right, let's get into this. So first off, we have a 10-pack of the heavyweight cardstock. This is Sugar Plum. This will match the Sugar Plum ink that came out a couple of months ago. I'm not sure. I don't remember if it was month before last or not, but and this is really heavyweight. You can use it for card bases. You can use it just as, matting layers on your cards. It's pretty awesome. This month we also have a package of Zots, the tiny ones, which are great for jewels and that kind of thing. We've got the ephemera set. So these are foilable sentiments, and they're really cool, and I really need to do a demo of these at some point. But what you have is you'll have your sentiment that you can use like this. You can ink these, you can foil these with a laminator, and you also will have, for those of you that do foil things with laminators, you'll have the negative of your sentiment. I'm trying to find one that's very simple one. So you foil this little piece of ephemera, which is a horseshoe if I would turn it the right way up, and the foil is going to stick anywhere where there's the black. Then you can take that leftover piece of foil and you can foil the leftovers onto the little black piece that matches up. So you'll have the reverse of the first piece. These are seriously like one of my favorite things that Maker Forte does, and I have lots and lots of these. I love them so much. But so you're getting the new set for the month of those. You're getting a new Kaleidoscope Powder every month. So they had just come out with their latest new Kaleidoscope Powder. I believe it was last month, and it's grape, and it's kind of a purple. It's white, but it's got a purple interference, as Alex says, and it's amazing. This one is English Mustard, which is another one of their colors. English Mustard is kind of a yellow that's got more of a green undertone to it. It's very nice. All right. We've also got new gems this month, and these are lemon. Let's take a look at these. We're not opening the Kaleidoscope Powder because it's incredibly messy if you're not very careful with it. And I've made a couple of huge messes with it, so unless I'm actively getting ready to use it, I don't open it. Oh, there we go. Okay. So these are just a really nice bright yellow. If you can see that there, you can kind of see it sparkling. I have my autofocus turned off, so when I hold it up really close like that, it's going to be kind of blurry, but you get the general idea. This one I'm not going to get too much into. This is another gem. However, this one was exclusive to this box for those of us that signed up for the everything box for the year. So that one is gorgeous, but I'm not gonna, show you guys and make you sad when you can't get it, at least yet. Okay, so we got some other fun little things this month that are a little bit new. So we've got some ink pad swatching cardstock, and it's printed so you can name the brand, color, you can swatch on here however you do it, if you smush them, if you stamp them, blend them, however you want to do that. So that's very, very cool. And then, so Maker Forte is also coming out with their own foils through Thermoweb, the Deco foil. So this is the heat transfer foil that you do with the laminator. And these are the first two colors, and you can see there's like a heart. So we've got just a pink and a blue, and this one is, where's the name of it? Oh, duh, right there on the front. Heart of the Ocean, and this one's Hearts of Love, and they are both just gorgeous. I can't wait to use those, probably on my ephemera pieces. Okay, so this month we got some stickers for all of our little jewels, which I have all of them so far, so that's awesome. We've got a paper pack, and this is just a really pretty black and white this month. So the paper packs are about, I want to say they're 5 by 8, so they're good size. You can ink these. I think these are actually foilable too if you wanted to. So this is just a really good, you get 2 of each pattern, just basic black and white. These are great for backgrounds on cards. You can color these in. So you've got the ginkgo leaves there that you could color in. You've got polka dots. We've got kind of a check on that side, smaller check there, and then leaves on that side. If this is foilable, which it feels like it should be, this would be awesome. I might try that out, and if I do, I will try and record it when I do. And then we've got leaves there. So you've got those. In fact, I bet it tells you. It doesn't say, so maybe they're not foilable, which is okay. I can still ink them if I want to. So these are versatile card inserts, and we got these in the Hedgehog Hollow box this month, which I thought was really cool. And I was really kind of impressed with these. So they're on a lighter weight paper, and they're meant to be something that you would put inside a card, either as the sentiment inside the card, or you can put it down with like some temporary adhesive so somebody could, and sign, and then somebody could pull that out and be able to reuse the card if they wanted to. So this one says, sometimes inspiration comes from a single ray of sunshine. Blessings to you at Passover and Easter. Wishing you a blessed Easter and a wonderful spring. Sending you peace, happiness, love, and every blessing from above. Happy Passover. Easter kisses, bunny kisses and Easter wishes. Spring adds new life and new beauty to all that is. Easter is about more than candy. It's about love and family. Have a happy Easter. Shalom, wishing you peace, good times, good health, and happiness on Passover and always. And then they repeat with the landscape as opposed to the portrait. So you've got them where you can use them on either style card, which is awesome. Okay, I'm going to put those back in their little bag. Okay, so this one, we got a swatching stencil. So this you can use with, where'd they go? Your little swatch cards here, and it's etched on here how you would line this up behind it, and you could go through and ink blend your ink pads through that stencil on here. And these are small enough, they're sized, if I remember right when Alex was doing the walkthrough, to fit on Jennifer McGuire's little 2x2 ink swatch printouts. I know you've seen them. In fact, I don't have one where I can grab it really easily. So that's what that is for. And then every month, and we don't have an ink this month because this is the first month, and I'd been on the ink subscription previously, so there's not an ink and a reinker, but normally there will be an ink and a reinker, and then also the Silhouette Stamp and Stencil, which that I have had handy. Where did it go? Bear with me 1 second. There it is. Okay, so normally, depending on which subscription, one of them has the Silhouette Stamp Stencil. The other one, I believe, has the ink pad and the reinker. If you have the everything box, then you're getting both. This month, because they're getting it kind of adjusted and getting everything on the same cycle, we had already gotten our Silhouette stamps, we'd already gotten our ink pads. So for this first month, it's going to be a little bit different. But the Silhouette stamps and stencils are really fun. They're on the white rubber, first off, which is just amazing. Like, it doesn't stain, which blows me away. And they do make these and cut these at Maker Forte. And then it comes with a stencil. And sometimes, and it depends, sometimes the stencil will be something to mask off the background on this. This time it was this sunray stencil. So there's a whole bunch of examples on their blog and their website of this, but where somebody has gone in and ink blended and then done this stamp with the wildflowers over the top of it, and it looks really, really neat. I've had this one sitting out because I really want to play with it and I have not had time, which is like the constant thing with me, I swear. Okay, so every month you're going to get, let me see here. I don't remember if you're normally getting 1 or 2 embossing powders, but you're getting a normal glitter. So this is Clear Sky, so this is like a light blue fine glitter. You're getting a specialty glitter, and this one is called Confetti Sugar, and you can kind of see it's like super chunky. It's really pretty. And then we've got 2 embossing powders. So this one is Meteor, and I know it's kind of hard to tell on camera other than it being sparkly. There's kind of a like some red and some orange and some gold in there on that one. And then this one is called Supernova, and this one's got pinks and blues and greens and whites. So very, very cool, very pretty. But then, like I said, the box, and I'm not going to sit here and try to do this right now. Well, maybe I will. Hold on. Aha. Now watch me break a nail because I just got them done yesterday. There we go. Nope, we're good. Aha, there we go. Get hold of it. All right, so this is going to come apart like so. Oh, mine's taped on this one corner. Hold up. That's why that one doesn't want to move. The other side is okay. This one caught just a tiny bit of tape on this one corner. Okay, I'm gonna have to mess with that. Anyway, but the point is you can flip this out the other direction and you'll have this cute box that you can color and decorate to your little heart's content to store all of your little goodies in. If you wanted to store it by month, if you wanted to, you know, do one box for, you know, like your ephemera set, or you wanted one box for your foil transfers or what have you, you would have that. I know what else is not in this one because it had already been sent out. The Simple Sayings. So I showed that actually on my craft room walkthrough because I had just gotten the dies for that. But let me grab, because I literally just saw it. Where'd it go? So the Simple Sayings are another thing that will be in this every month. But again, trying to get this all synced up, they weren't in here because the subscriptions on this one had already gone out. So you've got, again, the white and then the black, so you can foil it and then use the negative to foil this. You've got a whole bunch of little strip sentiments here and then some little like kind of banner ones, and then you've got the bigger ones. And the dies that just came out for this fit, so where these little squares are, it's going to line up perfectly to cut out all of those little sentiments right there. And then the other dies, the bigger dies, there's like a couple of speech bubbles, little circles, a square, I think there's a rectangle, I don't remember for sure, but they fit over these other sentiments so that you can cut those out as well. And then they always comes with 2 sheets of the blank canvas, so you could die cut these and then foil them in their entirety yourself with anything you wanted to do. So that is another thing that will be in these, but because this is the first month and it's catching up, it's not there this time. So that is ColourPop. I will put a link in the description on where you find these. And when I get my next one, when I get my April one, I'll do an unboxing of that one, because that one will be the full normal box. But I can't, seriously, these are a fabulous deal for what you end up getting. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.